Good?
Yes.
Some water or something?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Ramen! Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Friends. In today's episode, I'm gonna be cooking some food with my beautiful friend Danielle over here.
Hi.
If you're new with Cooking with Friends, basically I invite people over. So you're not just seeing me cooking all the time, because you see me cooking all the time, you don't believe that I'm just saying I'm doing the real thing over here. What we got right here, we're gonna show you what it is in a second, but this is her struggle meal from college. I don't remember eating beef shaved steak in college, but hey. We're gonna see what she's making with this thing right here. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself right there?
Okay, so my name is Danielle Lagarda. I'm a content creator. I started social media my senior year of college, so when I was still making this ramen all the time. And I do beauty and fashion, but I started off with comedy skits. And I was born in Colombia, moved to the US when I was 4. Oh, and I'm also a published author, so I wrote a book.
Oh, what?
Just a little bit about myself.
What? You did all that right there? Like, that was the whole dialogue. Okay. What's the book called?
The book is called Sin Límites, it's in Spanish, which means limitless, but it's about like, basically, it's kind of like a memoir, like from me moving to the US, like my parents' struggle, everything they had to go through as immigrants, we all went through as immigrants to get where we are today, and then also a little bit on the sadder note, like losing my brother and all of that, and then now where I am today.
That is awesome. I'm gonna check that book out. I'm gonna link it down below, so be sure to check that book out if you would like to be interested in reading that book right there. But that's cool. You got a lot going on, especially with these hoodies too, right? Like, look at these matching hoodies you got on right there.
Let's go.
So, I don't know what we're making over here, but I'm gonna show you what we got. So what she asked for, I asked her for a list of ingredients. Right? We got some beef shaved steak over here, okay? And she also asked for some mushrooms. I got baby Bella. I didn't know what.
I love it.
You can't have a budget meal without the ramen right there.
That's a typical ramen.
Right? And is chicken your favorite kind of ramen?
No, I like pork.
Like
guys,
pork
okay?
ramen?
Yes, what do you mean?
Okay, pork ramen is good. But
that's like the typical ramen.
It is. But chicken is like a staple though. What you mean? Oh, you're right. As long as you didn't say shrimp.
Oh, hell no. I don't like seafood and ramen, period. Did you get Mexican style because I'm Latina, bro?
No, that's not what I did. Don't try to put that on there. Don't try to put that in the thing right there. She also has some green onions.
Where am I cooking this?
What you mean? Where you cooking?
On that dirty ass
Okay, you not like talk trash about my hot plate. It's not that dirty. It got a little bit of like love. It just needs a little bit of love right there.
This is perfect because this looks like my stove from college.
Right?
So
Struggle meal. We're in the theme right there.
So water.
How much water you need?
Don't you do ramen? Like you should know how much water I need.
Because you're adding all this extra stuff in there. I don't know how much water you need.
Yeah, just like that. Actually, I feel like a little more.
See, exactly. That's why I asked you in the first place.
I'd rather I'm like afraid that your cords are gonna burn.
I've been doing this for years.
I love green onions, so to me it's like you can never have too much. Whenever I go eat ramen at a restaurant, like I always ask for extra
green onions, yes. I saw your bowl of ramen you showed me in the vlog. I was like, yeah, this girl really do love the ramen.
So you don't like pork?
I do like pork. I try not to eat pork.
Yeah, I only do it when I'm eating ramen or tacos. Wait, did you say you're Muslim so you can't?
I'm not Muslim. I grew up being told that eating pork is bad. It was this one time, like when I was younger, my grandmother, rest her soul, when she was cooking Thanksgiving dinner, and my uncle decided to come, but he decided to come and clean his chitlins.
Clean his what?
Chitlins. You know what chitlins are?
What?
Oh.
Is that chicken?
No, chitlins.
What is that?
You know what that is?
No.
Pig intestines.
Oh,
right?
See, no, I can't do all that.
He cleans them, so it's like poop in there. So the house went from smelling like beautiful Thanksgiving.
Oh my God, too gross.
Yeah. He had a whole bucket, this big of chitlins. I was like, I'm about to clean these. I was so mad. I didn't eat no food that day. I was mad. I was like, dude, you ruined Thanksgiving, bro. Like, what you doing? Because I'm curious to how thin you cut your, See, that's how thick I chop mine, right?
Yeah.
You'll be judging me saying you should cut it thin and at an angle. And
well, if you go to like H Mart, you can get the really, really thin green onions, and those are like tiny. So they're so skinny.
They are.
But like this, it's like.
I like a bite though. I like to bite into.
Yeah.
All right. So, what made you want to get into social media?
So funny story, I started social media when I was 8 years old. So back in the day, I don't know if you remember, but like there was no like camera on phones. So in order to talk to my family in Colombia, I had to do like a webcam call with like, my parents had a little webcam that was attached to the computer. So that's how I would talk to my like grandparents and all of that in Colombia.
Yeah.
And one day, like I just like took my parents' webcam and I started filming videos for YouTube. Like, okay, so back in the day, there was like these really funny videos. Do you remember the,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, like the, yeah, so like the beautiful nail skin and everything. So, and then there was like the bonquiqui.
Oh, yes!
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the steak. I would like watch all these like super viral videos and I would memorize them like word by word. I knew everything. I didn't know how to edit back then. So I would literally set up my little webcam, blurry as hell. And it wasn't even like me trying to become viral or anything. Like I knew nothing about it. I was just like a little 8-year-old like doing it. These videos are still on YouTube and they're so funny. But and I stopped because then I went to high school and all of that and I just forgot about it. Like I didn't even know YouTube could be a career or social media could be a career at all. Then I'm senior year of college. My brother, he's like, Dana, you got to get back into it. Like you're the next big thing, blah, blah, blah. You're perfect for it. Let me try that.
Do you know how to use chopsticks?
Yes, I do, but I don't cook with chopsticks. Like I never stir things with chopsticks.
What do you stir with?
With like a stirring thing.
Your sister used her fingers. Like she was like cooking some.
Bro, she's so Latina. That's like a Colombian grandma right there. Like my grandma be grabbing the oil and she's like this.
That's what she was doing. I was like, you're gonna melt your nails, bro. Like, add this into the thing. This looks good so far. I'm very curious what it's gonna taste like because I'm curious when you're gonna start adding seasoning to it.
I know how to.
Right now, this looks like something that somebody else would have made.
Oh my gosh. Okay, go ahead and add the seasoning now. I don't like to add the seasoning while it's cooking because I feel like it evaporates.
It does, it does.
Green onions. This is taking me back to college. I have not had cheesy ramen since college.
What?
I swear.
You haven't really had to, right?
Well, and like I also gained like so much weight only eating this in college.
So what do you call this meal?
This meal is named the Danny 15 because I definitely gained some pounds my freshman year eating this every day. But I watched your last video and you said you don't be eating. See, I don't miss no meals. Like I eat.
I don't have time to eat. I eat when I make videos, basically. I'm holding it up to the thing. You like cheersing me? Like,
yeah, like cheers.
All right, let's take a bite of this ramen right here.
Oh my God. Wow.
You can taste the cheese.
I did that.
You good.
I did that. That's actually really good.
That's just the right amount of seasoning.
Yeah.
The meat is actually cooked all the way, like perfectly, right? And the green onions are amazing. Can't go wrong.
The mushrooms, I mean, that meat is really good.
I was kind of nervous all the like midway through. I was like, I didn't know what's gonna happen with this thing right here. Where's the seasoning at?
Well, to be fair, you really can't go wrong with the seasoning because it comes in a package. Like, I didn't even season it myself. Like, it was just what it came with.
This was actually really good. You did it, ooh, big bite. Okay, with your spoon right there. Okay, I feel you on that one right there.
It's for the juice.
Thank you guys for watching this video. This meal was amazing. Thank you so much for coming over and making it. I'm definitely gonna make this again because this was really simple.
Are you actually gonna make it again or are you just messing with me?
No, I will.
You're just trying to hype me up.
I've made everybody's meal at least twice.
I had so much fun. Thank you so much. Yes, and you have the best vibes.
See? And you was all nervous before. You got
Just a little nervous. Just a little nervous.
You've been doing this since you was 8. Like, I'm nervous. You more experienced than I am.
That's true.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I'm gonna put all her links down below, so be sure to check her out across all platforms. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up. Hit that bell notification so you can notify whenever I post more videos like this. Whew, I've been saying that a lot. That was one breath right there. I'll catch you guys in the next one, because we will be doing more of these videos soon. Oh, you want more? She went back for more over there. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I told you I didn't eat breakfast.
No, this is good, though.
Ready with me to go on a cafecito date. I love me a good cafecito date because you can just spend like quality time. Obviously, I love cafecito. I mean, I'm Colombiana, so. We're gonna do very natural, glowy skin. And I know what you guys may be thinking. Y'all are probably like, damn, Danielle, you got a man. Who's the guy? Give us the tea. And well, okay, this is not another silent ASMR video. It's just a friendly date with my girlfriend. I know, I'm sorry to disappoint you guys, but I'm really excited about this because one of my goals for this year was to make more girlfriends and actually make time to hang out with them and just build genuine, great friendships here in LA. Honestly, I think it's like anything, your energy just attracts what you're giving out. And I'm gonna show you guys how important building genuine friendships is to me. I actually put it on my vision board that I created this year. Okay, so right here you can see a group of girls like eating and having a picnic together. And then I also added it right here. I'm a girl's girl and I need my friend group. When I moved to LA, I moved with my sister, which made me really comfortable like just having her as a friend and not really like searching outwards for more friends. But anyways, this year I said I am gonna build that genuine, amazing friend group. Okay, my skin is glowing. I've talked to so many girls that feel the same way that I do. Well, and I gotta concentrate for the lips. So if you're a fun, cool, humble girl that lives in LA and you wanna be my bestie, DM me and let's go grab some cafecito. I'm really cool, I swear. All right, this is the final look. Besos. Cheers. Salud.